Hi, today I'm going to show you how to restore a headlight on a 2002 Volkswagen Jetta. I bought this Meguiar's at Advanced Auto for 20 bucks. Alright, tools you'll need is just a drill. And I'll show you the buffer pad comes with the kit that fits any drill. And plus you get the liquid polish that you put on the pad and a cleaning cloth to clean afterwards. And you'll probably notice my fingernails are painted. This is from a Halloween costume. I'm a vampire, so you'll have to excuse my black knuckles, my black fingers. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, you're going to take about a nickel size of the polish. And you want to keep this flat against the headlight. And just keep going back and forth. And then before that dries, wipe that off. And that looks clear. See how quick that was? See the difference? Now let's do this side. Again, we'll take that nickel size of the polish. And keep it flat on there. And wipe that off before it dries. And there you have two new headlights. At least it looks like it. And if you need, you can do it again. You know, you keep the kit and just do it again when needed. Okay, there you have it. A headlight restoration for a 2002 Volkswagen Jetta, and it works on any headlight. Alright, thanks for watching.